In order to change out a flame rod on a Cambridge direct fired heater, you'll need the following tools: a flat edge screwdriver, a ratchet, an extension, and a 5/8 deep socket. Now, first of all, you want to turn your disconnect switch off for safety purposes. Open your latch, your left door. Your right door is spring loaded. Okay. Now, once your access panels are open on the side of the unit, remove the J-box cover on the side of the burner, loosen the screws, slide the cover off. Inside the box, you will notice your hot surface igniter on the left and your flame rod on the right. Just grab the red wire, pull the wire and the boot off, put your 5/8 socket on, break the flame rod loose, remove the original flame rod. The new rod comes with a boot, but if the original boot is in good shape, go ahead and reuse it. Insert the new flame rod, turn it hand tight. Then with your ratchet, you just want to snug it up, not too tight. And you're going to put the push on back on the spade, slide the boot back on the flame rod, which is very important. Make sure your wires are out of the way. Reinstall your cover. Tighten your screws. There you go. Once you've replaced your part, you need to close the heater up. Close your right door first. Close your left door. Latch it. Make sure the door doesn't open. Disconnect switch back on. You're done.